Today we're going to be having a look at these WOOLWORTH candy cube lights. These are WOOLWORTH candy cube lights. They are quite rare. They're a 90 set. I think I bought my set brand new, maybe about 99, possibly 2000, long time ago. I think they were £15 if I recall correctly, but I liked the look of them. They're a substantial set of lights. They are very heavy, very big. They look like they could possibly be a set of 50, but they're actually a set of 40. You don't necessarily need to use them for Christmas. You could probably use them for party lights because they are, they're quite long and they look quite nice. They've got clear bulbs in them with coloured shades. This is a set that I purchased about maybe about 4 or 5 years ago. It's been in the project bin because they need work. There's a lot of blown bulbs and I've not gotten around to them yet, but I grabbed them and I just thought we could take a look at them today. These ones, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but they've got yellowing on the cables. Don't know if it's because the cables are two different colours or it's yellowed with age. Here's your label. There you go. There's your item code and your candy cube lights. Tells you what bulbs you need. Always handy to know exactly what bulbs you need when you're looking on eBay. You can just put in 6 volt and then just whittle them down until you find 0.84 watts. And your fuse bulb is 0.72. 33 watts of pure WOOLWORTH's Christmas power. Now the cable itself, it is thick cable. It would normally be thick black or thick green, but this is a clear sheathed cable. And you can just make out the cable inside. They actually look like they're two different types of cable, which is weird. So you get 5 colours. You get yellow, pink, red, blue and green. Look at the yellow shade first. They are just, that doesn't look like it's the correct bulb. It's possible that whoever had these lights before was trying to fix them and used the wrong bulbs. So these are the shades, the candy cube shades. They remind me of rainbow lights, the way that they have the stacked plastic. Looks like this is possibly some kind of acrylic. They are push fit. They've got 4 little raised ridges on the inside to help grip the bulb holder. They don't seem to come apart and I'm not going to force them. But there's your yellow one. There's your pink. It's almost a purple colour. So they're layered. Clear, purple, clear, purple, clear, purple. And that's like that on all of them with their relevant colours. There's the green. You can see those ridges all the way through, so they've obviously been put through the same mould and just injected with the colour dye for each relevant shade. And there's your blue. As I mentioned before, these lights need a lot of work. This one has an original bulb in. This is what, this is what the original bulb should look like. Should have a clear base to match the clear bulb holders or opaque bulb holders. This one has had a lot of heat going through it. You can see how yellow it is there. I'm not sure these lights will actually light, but we'll give them a go. These, I think I paid £10 postage for them. I'm not complaining too much about that. I mean, again, they've got quite a rare set of lights and it'd be nice to get another set going again. This bulb is blank for a reason, because there was a fuse bulb in there that is no longer a fuse bulb. That must have gone with a significant pop. Looks like it's the correct... No, that is not the correct bulb. That is turning in its base. Somebody's added that in. Right, so there you go. They're on. And as you can see, a lot of the bulbs have gone. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Over, you know, a lot of the bulbs have gone. I'm actually going to turn them off now to save the ones that are still working, but I just wanted to show you them on. But at least I got them to light for you. We're going to get these going again. We're going to get some fresh new bulbs in, but I just thought everybody would be interested to take a closer look of what these crazy looking lights are like up close and personal. But yeah, there you go. Woolworth Candy Cube lights. Hope you liked this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.